Hi everyone, my name is Jane and I'm going to talk to you today about a rectangular blanket. Now you all may or may not know about the granny square, but this is based on a granny square except it is a rectangle. So this is one I made in big Karen cake, which I don't think is very available since lockdown. I'm hoping it'll come back on the market, but this was in my stash. And it took 3 balls of that. It's quite a hefty blanket. There's lots of different yarns with twirly tweed and with carousel, all these ones which can make it for you. But you could use it with scraps. You could, as long as you keep the same weight wool, if you did it in double knitting yarn and you had some Aran as well you wanted to use, you could double up your double knitting yarn, and then you can use the Aran with it as well. You use 2 weight yarns and just make it really scrappy.